Utah's legislative leaders have just approved issuing a state audit of the Utah Attorney General and his office.
News specialist Lindsay Aerts has been monitoring that meeting, but before it even happened, they obtained a letter from 24 lawmakers detailing what they want from this audit. Lindsay, what'd they say?
Yeah, now, Debbie, this letter came from lawmakers to the State Audit Committee, basically asking them to look into the AG's office, to have state auditors go and investigate some very specific questions. So we obtained a copy of that letter and have more on what it says. Frustration brewing on Utah's Capitol Hill.
I think there is growing concern that the Attorney General is simply not interested in the job as Attorney General.
Lawmakers now calling for a performance audit. 24 lawmakers signed a letter asking the audit committee to approve it from both parties and both chambers.
15 members of the House, you had 11 senators, and that's why you see an audit right now.
The ask is for 4 specific areas of concern: the governance of the AG's office and how legal and administrative decisions are made, the travel policies and practices of the office, the culture of the AG's office, and whether staff feel it's being run efficiently. And finally, lawmakers want state auditors to find out if the relationship between the nonprofit founder of OUR, their movie Sound of Freedom, or Tim Ballard involved any state resources, and whether the AG was engaged with any outside prosecutors, or if his relationship with Ballard impaired his judgment on prosecutorial discretion. Or the extent to which any relationship AG has with Tim Ballard, the movie, or Operation Underground Railroad used state resources. Do you believe that that's something that happened?
Let's find out. Let's find out.
The ask for the audit came from Representative Ken Ivory. He says this has been in the works for the better part of a year.
This isn't because of what we've seen from that Operation Underground Railroad particularly, but you know, that has raised questions, and so that just adds to the interest that we have.
In a statement, the Utah Attorney General's office says, quote, "We welcome working with legislative auditors to get them the information they seek. We are confident they will see what we already know. The Office of the Utah AGO does great work. We are proud of our personnel, leadership, and the cases we file to protect the people of Utah." And while this audit was approved today, it could take months before any results come back.
This just is going to help us see if we need to do any course corrections, and it'll give us the information we need to assess what, if anything, might need to be done with that office.
Yeah, you guys, so we don't exactly know when this audit will start, but we can report to you tonight that it is coming. Again, just upstairs here at the Capitol, the audit committee approving this request for a state audit, a performance audit into the Utah Attorney General's office. Reporting live, Lindsay Aerts, KSL 5 News.